Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn about the National Immunization Schedule, and I hope you will understand whatever I am going to teach you today. And if you have any problem regarding this particular topic, then do let me know in the comment section below. So let's start. First of all, we have to know what is vaccination. Vaccination is a simple, safe and effective way of protecting you against harmful diseases. मतलब वैक्सीन क्यों लगाते हैं हम लोग, ताकि एक बेबी को या फिर एक चिल्ड्रन को we can protect themselves from any harmful diseases or from any infection. Then immunization is the process. The way we give the vaccination, immunization is called the process. Then for pregnant women, in immunization schedule there are three main part. First one is for pregnant women, second one is for infant, and third one is for children. So these are the three main components under the immunization schedule. So let's start with from the beginning. For pregnant women, first of all, pregnant women is to take vaccine which is tetanus and adult diphtheria. Before it was taken TT, only tetanus toxoid, but nowadays with the TT they are giving tetanus and diphtheria. Then when they are taking in the early in pregnancy. Matlab as soon as they came to know that she is pregnant, she will take this vaccine. How much dose she is going to take? 0.5 ml IM intramuscularly she is going to take, and upper arm. What is the sign? Upper arm. And these three are very important to know for your exam purpose. Mainly the dose, route, site is so very important. Then next one is TD1 is given. Then TD2. TD2 means tetanus, diphtheria. Dose 2 is given 4 weeks after the TD1. Suppose tetanus toxoid and diphtheria she is taken June 1. Okay, then again the TD2 dose she is going to take in the 1 July, means exactly after 4 weeks. I hope you understood. Then this is also 0.5 ml IM upper arm. Then TD booster. अभी TD booster कब लेना है? If received 2 TD doses in a pregnancy within last 3 years. मगर अगर फिर से the women get pregnant within 3 years, पहला baby, suppose she has delivered in 2022, again she got pregnant in the year 2024, then she have to only take this TD booster. She don't have to take these 2 doses. I hope you understood. So if she pregnant again within last 3 years, then she will take only TD booster. And this is also the dose is 0.5 ml IM and upper arm.